Hello everyone, welcome to my channel VAGPE Media. This is Poulami, and today I'm going to show you the utility of chroma key. If in case you're planning to shoot in front of a green screen, then definitely you will have to use chroma key. So by the end of this video, you should be prompt enough to remove your green screen and replace it with a wonderful background. Hello friends, welcome back to my another tutorial. Today I'm going to discuss about the utility of chroma key in Movavi software. So I have already taken a couple of pictures, videos rather. So first what I need to do is I need to go to this add an extra track option, this plus button you have to click, and I'll have to go for add video track. Next is I will have to first take the background video which I want to be replaced and shown right in the place of a green background. So this is the video which I need to be at the background of the real video. Now next is this video which I'll be putting at the track above it. That's the reason I have added another video track. Now it is important to match these two tracks, so I'll have to reduce the track and match it with the video or background's length, right? So now at this moment this is just a green background video, right? So now as soon as I will click on this green background video, I will have to go to this this tool of all tools option, and here from here it usually looks like this initially. Then you need to go and click on this arrow of video editing, and there are many options which will get seen here. First you'll have to go for either you can go for chroma key option from here, or else the same option you get over here. So as soon as I click on chroma key, you will see your mouse, your cursor will automatically take a shape of this chroma key. If you want to get back to the cursor shape, then you have to just click on this chroma key option. It is back to the cursor. Now I need to click on this and I need to pick the color which I need to change, and definitely that will change the background to the background which I want to be at the back of this video, right? This was the initial part of my tutorial. In the next coming part, I'm going to show you if there is any glitch or any if your background is not removed up to your expectation, then how to fine tune it. So that's what I'm going to show you in my coming tutorial. But before that, I would like to urge you that if you want to know more about other aspects of Movavi, then you must go to the top right hand side corner of this video in the info I button, where I'll be getting my complete playlist of Movavi. I'm sure if you watch that, you will be, if you're a beginner even as a graphic designer or a video editor, then this playlist will help you to become a pro and edit a video like a pro. So with that, let us head over to the next part of my video. I'll be back soon. So along with it, usually these are few other options which can be used to if in case you find there is some glitch or some your like the background is not removed as per your expectation, you will have to tweak on this 4 options: tolerance, noise, edges, and opacity. Now usually the default options work really well, which is tolerance is 80, noise remains 0, edge remains 1, and opacity by default remains 10. In case you find in some videos, some clips, you will find some glitches. Just to show that, I will take another video. I'll just go over here and I'll take this video on the track. One second, I'll take this one again on this track, and because it is sticking to each other, I can just click on this enable edge and I can detach it from the previous one. Here I will take this one, right? Now you will see if the color of the object which you want to change. Suppose here I want to change these letters into this background image, which is this one. Then it is you just see how it happens. Same way I will keep this video selected. This is the original video. I just need this green part to be my this background which I have chosen, right? So same way, all tools, video editing, and from there chroma key as usual it has taken. Now as because the background color is also almost similar to the letters color, you see this background has actually replaced by both the green colors. Here comes the necessity of tolerance. If I reduce the tolerance, then it is much better, right? So now I will have to again, you can make the noise a little more and the edges a little more. Opacity basically makes sure that how transparent you want your background to be. So if now I play this, I can go to these 3 dots to show you and unpin player. If I go for this and I make it bigger, it will play with the full screen.
So in this video, we have seen how to change your green background and replace it with any beautiful background you feel like. If you think this video has been value-adding for you, then I would urge you to give me a big thumbs up, because that gives me enough motivation to keep going and making new videos for you. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I would urge you to click the subscription button below and click the bell button next to it. You will get the entire tutorial on Movavi software in the end of this video, end card of this video. So make sure you explore my Movavi playlist right after watching this video. So today till here, I'll come back with some stunning video next week. Till then, stay safe, stay legendary.